Okay, so looking at this question 4, biological catalyst. What is a catalyst? A catalyst is something which speeds up a rate of reaction but is unchanged by the process. What property of chemical reaction lowered by enzymes, enabling them to proceed rapidly? They lower the activation energy for a reaction, so the amount of energy that's needed to get the reaction going is reduced. Malonic acid is an inhibitor of the enzyme succinic acid dehydrogenase. Carried out experiments to mix malonic and succinic acids with an extract prepared from living cells. So the extract from living cells is contained the enzyme. We're measuring the rate of reaction here, and this is concentration of malonic acid. This is the concentration of the inhibitor. So just have a look at what we see. So as we increase the amount of inhibitor, as we increase the concentration of inhibitor, then the rate of reaction decreases. Okay, so describe that. So this is just describing it. So increasing the concentration of malonic acid decreases the rate of reaction. The type of inhibition, well, this is going to be competitive, because when the concentration of malonic acid is high, then the rate of reaction is low. Explain the effect on this. Well, again, same thing talking about competitive inhibitors. It's a similar shape to the substrate, therefore it can bind to the active site, and when it is binding to the active site, then the substrate cannot bind to the active site either. So we know that it's competitive because we see that when the concentration of inhibitor is higher for the same concentration of substrate, then we get a greater decrease in the rate of reaction. How do they ensure that the pH did not change during the course of the experiment? Well, they would use a buffer, and a suitable control would be a boiled and cooled enzyme. This proves that it's the enzyme that's having this effect and nothing else.